So like if you're a PM and you're starting, from zero, definitely bring up ideas of collaborating with other teams, because I think that's like the best way for your product to be seen by customers that might not be familiar with your product. Like for example, Zach works on SQL tools, right?
Mhm.
Like database tools in general.
Yeah, our team is database tools, so we
Mhm.
cover like everything kind of in that sphere, which
Exactly.
is a handful of products.
And that is huge, right? So if I know that he has a product, or not even a product, but like a tool or a feature that collaborates with like the product that I am managing, it is a really good idea for you to go to that person and be like, hey, let's do something together. Let's do a webinar together. Let's do a presentation together. Let's do, I don't know, a vlog or a video together, because that is such a great way to get your product out there for people that don't know about it. And at least, for example, with Oracle, we're such a big company that we have so many solutions to different types of problems, and not everyone is aware of them. And
Mhm.
that is something that is also really nice, right? Like people are willing to put in the time to collaborate with each other, even if you guys are not in the same team. At least that
Yeah.
that has been my experience in Oracle.